What's going on, everybody? It's Fox Racing 101. Today I'm going to give you guys a walk around of the 2021 race season build of my dirt bike. And then you guys are going to flip out. You're pretty sure you've seen it on Instagram, because I posted on Instagram. And I did more stuff to it after I posted the bike on the Instagram. I did more stuff to it. I still went on one part, and I'm ordering another part to match it. And so yeah. And I'm also ordering more stuff for it. So right now it's just done, but I'm still waiting on a part. I will tell you guys in the video. I will show you. So you ready to see the new look of the 2012 CRF250R? There she is. Did new plastics and graphics on her. Also, I want to show you guys the new gear I'm going to run. New helmet and a new GoPro mount also. And new goggles. So, there she is. I'm doing it up here because our creek is really high to our yard, so. I don't want to show the things I want to show you guys. So, a lot of stuff to it. New parts and everything. I think you've probably seen the new gear right there, but yes, sir. So let's jump right into it, what I did to it. So, you guys you can see it's got new graphics on it. I got a custom graphics. Did my graphics in my hometown, not that far from me. So yeah, that's pretty good. I gotta get all the sponsors: FMF, Cycra, Tusk, Rocky Mountain, FMF, 100%. So I will show you guys what I did to it and things what I got for over last year in the winter. So I had to get new graphics, so I gotta get new plastics. So I got the Polysport plastics kit. It came with a front fender, the rear shrouds, the number plate, the rear fender, and the air box. The air box covers too. So if you guys are looking at these plastics, they will come with the air box covers too. So just want to give you guys a head up. But I put a different plastics up front. I got the black Polysport fork guards on it. It's got the Cycra Ultra CMR probend handguards. Got the ODI lock-on grips, breakable levers. I'll leave the part list is on the description. Got the Tusk, KTM chubs. What did I say? Tusk, KTM, yeah, or Tusk, chubs, KTM bend, handlebars, Tusk, bar clamps. Got a new kill switch also. The one on the bike, I bought it, wasn't working because the light was not flashing. When you start the bike, there's a flash, and then you get like a code or something, if there's something wrong with your bike. So I got a Tusk kill switch also. It's got some Tusk bling kit on there. Sorry about the shadow. Got that Tusk aluminum gas cap. You got that little get map switch too. The programmer's underneath the seat, but I don't feel like taking the seat off, so. I told you guys I had to put new clutch cover on there too, because the one I had on the bike had a busted hole underneath there, and it was Joey welded. So I put that on there. Also I put a new kicker on there too. Got more bling kit right there, more bling. Tusk brake pedal. You probably guys know, like, where's the wire thing at? I took it off because I was like, that's kind of stupid. I know that it protects your like, I seen on Rock Mountain, it says protect, it doesn't snatch your brake pedal or something. There's more bling right there. There's a swing arm graphic right there. You can tell I'm still running the Hansen Highs XCR pipe on there. I ordered an FMF last year. They went for many. I don't know how long I've been waiting, but I ordered it last year in September. I found out they were on out of stock, so I've been waiting until FMF are working on their exhaust this year. So that's one thing I'm going to tell you guys. I'm waiting for my FMF PowerCore 4 exhaust. Yes, I got the PowerCore 4. I was planning on get the 4.1, but I want the PowerCore 4. So, oh, there's more bling right there. You can tell right there. There's a bling. There's a bling. I got the bling kit on Christmas, so you're gonna see a lot of red. You know, the axle block too. You can tell I put a new rear wheel on it. That's one thing I'm gonna order because it's out of stock. I'm gonna do the front one, so it would be match all together. So this is the 18-inch rear wheel, because the other one that I bought the bike had a giant crack going through the wheel. So also I put a Dunlop Geomax 881. I'm gonna run it and see if I like it. If I like it, I'll get a new one. Right now I'm gonna order the Kenda Washrog 2 front and rear, because I heard people say in my Ohio are really good in the track. So yeah, there's a Dunlop. I think you guys can see the new gear over there. You might want to look at it pretty soon. Just gotta wait. Put a new chain sprocket last year also when I bought the bike. There's things I'm on an order. You can tell it's missing a guard, the chain guard on the bottom, because last night I was looking at it just because I need one. I took it apart. It needed one really bad. The parts was chewed up already, so I'm gonna get a new chain guard and a new chain slider also. You can tell I put a kickstand on it. That's what I told you guys on the CRF250R wood riding. I was gonna put a kickstand. I finally did, and I put it's the Moose Racing one. It's pretty good, really good deal. About $120 on eBay, but you can get it on Dennis Kirk also. Is the same price. So sorry. Also, I rebuilt my rear shock too last year. It's got a Tusk red shifter. There's more bling. You guys are gonna make it like, dude, what you got all this bling for? It's not gonna make you faster. Well, I don't know. And it's got the Enduro Engineer skid plate. Full skid plate. They're pretty good. I recommend getting the skid plates from Enduro Engineer for all your dirt bikes. KTM, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki's, and Hondas. And all the bikes out there. So yeah. I don't feel like starting the bike up because you're probably sure you guys heard it already. I just want to give you a walk around and things. I'm still waiting on what parts I'm still waiting on. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a walk around of the bike of the 2021 race season. I'm racing. We got a racing coming up pretty soon on March 20th. So yeah. I didn't get to ride this thing yet, so hopefully I can get a break in, but it's too muddy. There's no ride anyway, so yeah. 492. That's my number right there. My last name. I want to tell you guys, when I get the FMF Powercore 4, should I get the header pipe also, or just leave the header on stock for now? Leave your comments below what should I do to it. So, yeah. So when I told you guys I'm getting a front Tusk impact front wheel, I'm waiting for that to get back in stock, because they were out of stock. So yeah, I think that's it. The things I did to it over the winter. So now I'll show you guys the new helmet and the GoPro mount. So here we go. Yes sir, there it is. The new helmet. I'm taking a break from Fox Racing. So you guys like, oh man, you got no Fox racing gear now. Your channel still Fox Racing 101. Well, I'm gonna keep it what it is right now, okay? So I got the O'Neill Warhawk helmet. This is a pretty cool helmet right here. I'm gonna change up a little bit. I want something crazy helmet, something really crazy, cool looking helmet. Cause you know, colors like white and red, white and blue. I don't like that. So I want to change up a little bit. I want something really cool. So there is the new helmet, and the goggles I'm running is the new FMF goggles. I can't remember what they were called, but I think I'll look it up and I'll put it on the description. And they were by 100%. So you guys order these. These are pretty cheap than 100%. The official 100% goggles. These are a lot cheaper. I think I paid like $30 something. I think 29. I think I can't remember. And I'm gonna show you guys the new GoPro mount I'm working on for the new helmet. This is the Dango design gripper mount. So it will grip underneath your helmet. So I want to try something new because I don't want to put that sticky crap on my helmet. There's any way, I don't know, there's no way I can put one on there. It's just the nose piece is pretty different. So I'm running that a Dango design gripper mount. I highly recommend getting these. They're pretty good. I want to try something new for the GoPro, so I went and bought these. But went and bought this. It's gonna cost you about $50, I think, to get one of these on Amazon. You can get them on Amazon or their website. Either way, I think it's easier to get them off on the Amazon because they will ship out really fast. So yeah, here's the new helmet. O'Neill, the Warhawk. So what do you guys think about the new look of the 2012 CRF250R? I think it looks pretty good. I like it. I'm digging it right now. But pretty soon, maybe next year, I might do something pretty cool. Or I might sell it, who knows, but I'm just playing. It's a cool looking bike. You know, it's my first time owning a fuel injection dirt bike, and I always wanted a Honda. Back in the day, 2012 CRF250Rs were the best bikes ever on the market. And I finally found this one on the Facebook marketing, and it wasn't that far from me. And went to look at it. I thought I was going to buy a motocross bike. I told you guys when I bought it, it had an 8-inch rear wheel and a map switch. All that was on there. And then when I bought the bike, I put the skid plate on there, and so on and so on. So it looked pretty good. So yeah, I'll leave the parts on the description. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I want to start making videos on my GoPro. So it's a nice bike. I still don't want to feel like starting it up because you guys are already heard the bike many times, so, well, twice, so I don't feel like starting it up because it's on the bike stand and it's kind of a little bit sketchy, so yeah. Give me a likes, comments, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I start making GoPro videos. And I'm back. Winter is over. It's March. Freaking ride season is coming, and race season. So I'll give you guys. I'm pretty sure the new video will be up. Pretty sure the start of the video is gonna be the race, because I'd like to go somewhere to get some riding in, get some practice in on this dirt bike, because it's been a while I rode a dirt bike, so yeah. So yeah, give me comments. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. I did my forks also last year, so what I did, I put new Tusk fork seals and dust covers in the fork seals covers from Tusk. Also, I forgot one thing. You probably got seen on the review. Got that steering adapter right back there. I told you guys what it does. It reduces your head shaking. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think she's pretty much done. You know, still waiting on the FMF powercore 4 exhaust, and waiting on the new Tusk impact front wheel, and that's pretty much it. And the FMF powercore 4 exhaust. So thanks for watching, and give it likes, comments, subscribe, and I'll leave the parts list on the description, and thanks for watching.